Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something epic. I'm talking life-changing stuff here. You see this shiny thing? It's another YouTube Creator Award because one of my channels just hit 1 million subscribers. And get this, it's a faceless channel. That's right, no showing my face, no awkward recordings, it's all automated. We're using the power of AI, people, and it's blowing up. The best part, it's easier than you think and anyone can do it. I'm talking step by step, no BS. In this video, I'm revealing my secret blueprint for building 6-figure faceless channels. We're talking finding the perfect niche, creating videos that go viral, all with AI. The best tools to use, most are free. And how to rake in that cash. I've been doing this for years, helping tons of people crush it on YouTube, and now it's your turn. All right, first things first, we got to pick a niche. This is huge because it determines how much money you can make. Some niches are like, here's $2 for every 1,000 views, while others are like, boom, $50 for every 1,000. I'm talking about AI history documentaries, luxury and finance, science and space, mysteries and conspiracies, technology and future trends, the kind of stuff that makes people hit that subscribe button. Now, I don't want you stressing about finding the perfect niche, so I created something awesome for you. It's my free AI niche finder tool, and it's linked in the description. This bad boy will help you uncover untapped, high-paying niches just begging for awesome content. Trust me, this tool is a game changer. Now that you've got your $1 million niche, it's time to build your channel like a boss. We need to make it look slick and professional, you know, the kind of channel that screams, subscribe now. Think about a catchy name that fits your niche, and don't be afraid to get creative with your branding. To make your channel pop, I use tools like Canva, Superwork.ai, and Adobe Express. They're super easy to use even if you're not a design whiz. And don't forget about SEO. Write an awesome description, add relevant tags, and link up your social media. We want people to find your channel, right? All right, now for the fun part, finding viral video ideas. The key here is to reverse engineer what's already working. I'm talking about spying on your competition, in a legal way, of course, and using tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy to see what's trending. But wait, there's more! We're also going to tap into the power of Google Trends, Reddit, and Quora to see what people are searching for. And to take things to the next level, we're going to use ChatGPT, the ultimate AI tool, to generate even more amazing video ideas. Just copy and paste a trending video title into ChatGPT and watch the magic happen. Now that we've got our viral video ideas, it's time to write some killer scripts. And guess what? You don't have to be Shakespeare to do it. We're going to use ChatGPT again to generate engaging scripts in minutes. I'm talking about scripts with a hook that grabs people's attention, an intro that sets the stage, awesome main content that keeps them glued to their screens, and a call to action that gets them subscribing and smashing that like button. Want an example of a killer hook? How about this? What if I told you that an ancient civilization disappeared overnight, without a trace, no records, no clues, just a mystery that has baffled historians for centuries? See? Instant engagement. Okay, here's where things get really cool. You don't even need to use your own voice for your videos. We're going to use AI voice generators like 11labs.io, play.ht, and murph.ai to create professional-sounding voiceovers. It's so easy. Just paste your script, choose a voice that fits your style, and download the audio. Boom! You've got a perfect voiceover without ever having to step foot in a recording booth. Let's talk visuals. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers, so we need to make them eye-catching and clickable. My go-to tools for creating awesome thumbnails are Leonardo.ai, Pika Labs, and Thumbnail Blaster. They're like having a personal design team at your fingertips. And for the video content itself, we're not holding back. We're diving into the world of AI video editing with tools like CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Runway ML. These tools make it super simple to create high-quality videos even if you've never edited a video before. All right, it's time to unleash your masterpiece on the world. When you upload your video to YouTube, make sure it's in glorious 1080p or even 4K for the best quality. And don't forget about optimization. We want your video to rank high and attract tons of viewers. That's where VidiQ's title generator comes in handy. This tool will help you craft a title that's both catchy and SEO friendly. And for the description and tags, we'll use TubeBuddy to make sure we're using the right keywords. Oh, and one last thing, create an engaging pinned comment to get the conversation started and boost engagement. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, making it rain. YouTube ad revenue is cool and all, but we're playing the long game here. We're talking about multiple streams of income, baby. Think about joining the YouTube Partner Program, diving into affiliate marketing, scoring sponsorships, selling digital products, and even setting up memberships and Patreon. The possibilities are endless. Remember, this is your chance to build a real business, and the sky's the limit. Listen up, because this is important. This method is 100% free and it works. I've seen it transform countless lives, and now it's your turn. Here's what you need to do. First, download my free blueprint. It's packed with even more tips and tricks, and it's linked in the description below. Second, start your first video today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is right now. And third, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you every step of the way. I can't wait to see what you create. Let's do this.